Hi, my name is Bekah. Welcome to my video series, Everyday English Every Day. Today is grammar practice, and we are going to repeat example sentences so you get comfortable using these phrases. We're going to talk about how to use so and such correctly. Okay, subscribe to my channel and give my video a like. Add in the comments any questions or any examples of your own practice, and I can review your work. All right, so and such can be used like very and really. Check out my video from last week. I have it in the descriptions below, and you can watch that video too. Repeat after me. She was so beautiful. She was very beautiful. She was such a beautiful woman. She was a very beautiful woman. All right, so let's look at when we use so. We use so before adjectives that are not followed by a noun. Adjectives alone. Repeat after me. The movie was so boring. We use so before adverbs. The girl ran so quickly. We use so with many and much, little and few. She made so many cookies. I have so much free time. The child eats so little. She's never hungry. He had so few friends as a child. Now, such we use before adjectives when they're with nouns. It was such a sad movie. We use such before plural noun. I have such happy children. Use such before an uncountable noun, which is singular. He is such a good friend. Use such with a lot. He has such a lot of friends. Now, we don't use so and such directly with words like this and those, his, her, your. So and such are placed right after the verb. They directly follow the verb. Repeat after me. Your mom is so nice. His sister is such a kind person. Now, we also have an expression we can use, and it has a little of a different meaning. So that, such that, it shows a result. Repeat after me. It was so cold outside that the lake froze. I was so tired that I fell asleep at 8 p.m. Vacation was such a fabulous time that I booked another trip. I have such a lot of responsibilities that I can't finish everything today. Now, we can also use so and such alone in the same way. Repeat after me. It was so cold outside, the lake froze. Vacation was such a fabulous time, I booked another trip. Notice we don't have the word that in these sentences. We took it out. Now, so and such can also mean to this level or amount, as much as something, or as usual as something, as often as something. Repeat after me. They aren't usually so tired. They aren't usually as tired as this. Like as tired as they are in this moment. He doesn't often eat such a big breakfast. His breakfast isn't often as big as this one. Notice it was his breakfast. He is used with verbs since it's a subject. He eats his breakfast. Okay, guys, subscribe to my channel, give it a like. New videos are posted on Mondays and Wednesdays. Comment below, ask me questions. Use what we're talking about in your own life, right? Make your own examples and write them in the comments and I'll review them for you. You can send me an email at any time if you have any other questions or want some more information. All right, guys, keep up the great work. I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.